Hi friends, in this tutorial I'll be showing how to view your product details. We want to view detail of each product that we have on our website. So for instance, we want to view the details of our products, like we can view all these things here and probably the image. So the image hasn't been completely configured, so in time we'll fix everything, and also make sure that in our tutorials we will be able to upload multiple images, whereby we can have other images that is scrolling beneath the main images here, the main image here. So what we need to do is, in our controller we have site. So let's say we have a product controller. Let's create a controller. So I will duplicate this. I'll copy and paste. So I'll call this product. So we'll change this to product. And there's so many unnecessary things that we don't need there, but let's try to remove other section. We don't need this. So right now our controller is simple. So we need to pass our ID. We need to pass the ID of the product, which is ID, and we need to select. So let me call this product. The value that we pass to our view. Product is equal product. Find one. So passing our ID. So we need to create a view. I'll create a view. So I'll call this product, which is the name of our controller. So I'll need to add a view to it. So I'll call this index. So on our website, for the product, we need to add a link that redirects people. So we have products. So this is where it is coming from. So we need to add a link. So I'll call this. Let me add a link here. Let's say view product. href. View product. So let me view. So let me view it and see. So once we click on this, it will take us to our product details. So let me hide all these text box that are displaying the ID. So I'll make this hidden. And also hidden for this. So the next thing is we need to pass the URL and the link. So we are going to control our product, and what are the value we are passing? We are passing value of ID, the parameter, and what is our value? Our value is the ID of the product. So I'll save, I'll go to our browser and refresh. So this takes us to product. So now we need to copy our view from this place into the view we created. I'll copy this and paste in the index that we created. I'll save and for you to see. So we have it. Let's say we'll manage, let me look. We have section, container, row. So we need to view our details here. So let's search for the name, so we can begin from that place. Start with. So now we need to add a product. It should be product name. Good. So this should be the amount. This would be the I key. This should be the availability. So all this we are doing is dependent on the fields we had in our database. The fields we had in the database, which is for the products. So availability, amount, product condition, brand, stock. So fruit condition. We have brand. So with this, we're able to view all of our details, and in case we have other information we need to add to it, and also make sure we copy our link, our cart link. We copy this. So for how to cut. How to cut, okay. we need to add URL to the top. Undefined variable model. We're using products. This should be products. So I need to remove the previous add to cart. So this is how you view your product. This is the ID. In case you also, we have alternative way to also render this instead of this simple one. In case we have multiple conditions we need to pass, I'll comment this out. So I will need to remove this. So I need to set my where condition where ID is equal ID and let's say 1. So it's also equivalent to this, but in case I have other parameters I want to pass, like if status, let's see if I have status in my my database. So I have status. If status is equal 1, so I'll say if status is equal 1 as well. So everything works fine. So that's how you can view your product details, and see you in our next tutorial.